Sing with me. Let's do this again.
Hello, my dear friend. Nice to sing with you.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm for the storm. I know it's been coming for some time.
When it's over, so they say, either rain or sunny day. I know, shining down like water.
I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?
Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time.
Till forever on it goes, through the circle, fast and slow. I know, it can't stop, I wonder. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yeah,
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yeah,
I want to know, have you ever seen the rain?
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain
coming down on a sunny day?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining me. Have a nice day.
You're always welcome, my dear friend.